Right, so the last exercise in the sort of bank of exercise we had for week 1 is this little housing that we have. Does it look a bit complicated maybe? It's quite a nice little housing. But again, we're going to digest it and try and spot some features in it, and then build it up kind of feature by feature to get our 3D model. Looking at it, I think the big thing that stands out is these little ribs. And we can see going around it. Again, they're a pattern. So we're going to do one, we'll pattern them around. So that's useful first. Something that might not be so obvious is this top piece. That's just like a kind of little roof on it. So that's going to be one, maybe an extrusion or revolve. And then let's look at the bottom. We've got a kind of bottom bit, and then a kind of spoke coming out with a hole in it. You can see the hole there. You can't really see you can't see the hole here. From the section view, remember the section view, if you're look at the arrows, you're looking at it down this way. So you're seeing the top half, this top half of the housing. If you had been looking at it the other way down the bottom half, you might have seen that hole. It might have been a better view to give you. But look, this is the information we're presented with. Again, some interesting things. The roof is not the same thickness as this bottom bit. And you know what? To be super efficient, I'm going to try and I'm going to do this spoke bit, this kind of extruded bit, and the hole all into one move. And we're going to do that with a revolve. So let's see if we can have a go at that. In the SolidWorks, let's open this up, a new part, get that opened, and we're going to open a sketch, and I'm going to do it on, go to front plane. Okay, if I look at this, I'm going to zoom in here, because this is the area we want to focus on. I know if I just take half of it, just deal with this side. If I swing this rectangle around, it'll do a disc for me, which is ultimately what we have down here, a disc. Again, if I swing this block around, it'll give me a cylinder. If I left maybe a gap in the middle of it, it would leave the hole. So let's have a look at some of them ideas. I'm going to start just a center line, just to give me my bearings. Put a center line there, and then from that, if I do a corner rectangle, this is going to represent my disc that's being swung around. So if I want to dimension that out, well, I know I have to zoom out here. The overall diameter, let's see where the overall diameter must be, this 55. So that's radius 55, so diameter 110. But we can just put in the radius because we're only doing half of it. And of course, in inches, obviously. A disaster when it comes to that today. So 55. And we said our thickness is going to be 5. There it is there. Okay, let's put that in. 5. Just zoom in on this here, get us better. Now let's try and do the bottom piece. Well, I know its diameter is 30, so let's try and do this here. Okay, keep that at 15. Okay, and its height there is 25. Okay, 25. So now, just to give you something to imagine it by, what we have at the moment, we haven't put the hole in just yet, but look, if I just go to revolve that around, if I take my axis as this here, I want to swing it around 360 degrees. See, I haven't closed it off here, so I've got to tell it what I want to swing around, what closed sketches I want to swing around, and I want to bring it around this axis here.